Hey guys, welcome back to the Active Wave. Today we're going to take you guys through a 20-minute advanced EMS workout. We're going to be sticking with basic exercises, no other equipment involved in the EMS system, advanced in the stimulation settings that we've got set in the system. So first things first, we're going to get ourselves set up in the system, just checking in the battery that we're using, getting myself selected. We're going to go through muscle development today. We're going to get just our baseline parameters set up for the workout. So we'll get all these set. Everything looks good. Again, we're going to do an advanced workout today, so we're going to change the impulse duration up to 12 seconds. We're still going to do a 4-second rest just because training myself, it's harder to go any shorter rest and get the stimulation settings changed. Also, we've got all that set, so let's get started. So there you guys have it, 20-minute EMS advanced workout. Again, advanced in the stimulation settings that we're doing. Pretty basic with the exercises that we're doing and the variations that we're choosing. If you guys have tried EMS, let us know what your sessions are like. We love hearing from you guys. Take care and we'll see you in the next video.